Oh, they are really puffy. Oh, look at that beauty. So today we go for some belly of pork, and therefore we've got some boiled water, and we put in some garlic and some onions, and we just put it inside here. And we're gonna let it boil for like 30 minutes. And we need some rub, therefore we go for some sugar. I've got here Russell Hanout, some like 5 spices mixture, and I've got some garlic, and of course I've got my favorite seasoning, salt, and we go in for some more pepper. Just let it boil. After half an hour, just flip it around and cook it some more. Okay, we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna dry it with a towel. Then we're gonna make some incisions, but be careful, not go too deep. That's what we are looking for. We're gonna take our rub and just put it inside the incisions and all over the place. Next, we're gonna poke our pork with little like incisions here, and do it really carefully. And after poking, put some vinegar on top of it, not too much. Brush it in, and now we're gonna put a little layer of salt on it. And you want to put it into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, and then it goes into the oven. There it is. Now we are at 180 degrees circulation heat, and we put in our lovely pork and let it sit there for 1 hour. Look at that, it's already popping a little bit. So after 1 hour we go up with the heat to 230. Oh, they are really puffing. I love it, I love it. Oh, you're gonna check out this beauty, isn't it amazing? Look at that gorgeousness. Okay, we're gonna test it. This sounds crisp, and let's check it out. Oh, look at that beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? And listen to that. Haha, this is the crunch. Ah, look at that. Look at that beauty. I'm gonna test it for you. Oh, it's hot. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.